Hi guys, what's good? I'm doing a week in my life because I thrive on watching one of those. So today is Monday and I'm going to university, and the hay fever has hit me today like a ton of bricks. So I'm going to insert this up my nose, which is Beckonaise. I felt like I went underwater and swimming. I'm just gonna put the cap back on because we don't want any germs going in my nasal cavities. And two, I'm just gonna get ready to rock and roll. I've got to do a bit of work before I go do my lecture. Currently at uni now. This is the lecture room, isn't it? Woohoo! But no one's in and we start at 10 today, so I don't know what's happening. I'm just doing some group work at the moment. Anything wise to say? Anything wise to say?
Do your work early, kids.
Yeah. folk. I just had a Satsuma. Life's good. You know, it's actually not that good, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So Amy's here now. Favorite colour?
Yellow.
Favorite breakfast?
Crumpets.
Oh, you can't have those anymore.
No, the gluten-free ones are actually quite nice.
She's just found out she's a celiac. And last, yeah, doing a bacon degree. Last question: what is your favorite alcoholic beverage?
Oh, Sex on the Beach cocktail.
Okay, and Akira, let's quiz you. Favorite colour?
Blue.
Favorite shop?
Primark.
Heels or flats?
Flats.
We all know that about Akira. Favorite sportswear brand?
Probably Nike because that's the only one I know.
And Emily, favorite colour?
Blue.
My favourite colour is blue too. We're so cute. Oh my gosh. Everyone here's sorry, yellow. And your favourite cleaning products?
Nothing. Nothing because you don't clean.
I feel like you like a sanitising scrub.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Like a.
What?
We're going back to uni. Aren't these light blue? They aren't purple. Hey, Gucci gang. We've just done our packaging. What's good? What's good? What's good? Currently testing how far we can get on the steps. I'm really scared. Every time! I really can't do it. See, how can she? Right, this jacket's coming off. It's not the jacket. Okay. It's really dressing me out, essentially. Oh my gosh! Your whole life flashed from my eyes. I've only got 3 minutes, so we're gonna have to be fast. Right, this is Megan. What's your favourite colour?
Red.
What's your favourite
Blue. It's like blue actually.
technology brand?
HP.
And your favourite supermarket?
Asda. Sainsbury's because it's a 5-minute walk from my house.
Going to Tesco's, me and Chloe, for some snacks, and I'm going with these fresh crepes. You know that. I'm about to go to bed, so see you in the morning. Alright. So guys, I just had a shower and now I'm gonna get changed into some fresh garms. So today we have got uni again. I've got my business management lecture, which is really fun. So I'm gonna go to uni. I'm gonna go in a bit early again because I have a lot of work to do at the moment, and I'm one of those people that work best in the mornings. So I'm actually gonna go and have my breakfast now. And I'm gonna start my morning off with the classic hot water. I actually look like an egg. So I'm about to go now. Oh, there was something else I was gonna say, but I can't remember. I just packed my bag. Ooh, the teaser. Yeah, you can spy the kettle chips. It's just part of my everyday, you know. What was I gonna pack? Oh, you know what? I've forgotten to drink my hot water.
TV for the reality shows after the date that whatever it is. So
Hey, we're filling up our water bottles. This is our dream spot, isn't it, Kira? This is mine and Kira's like place of, you know,
Water filling.
and there's even a hot tap. Oh, should I come in? Come on. Come in. Amy, come in. Obviously. Oh no. It's lunchtime. Do you want to be in it, Devon? I could do a quiz. What's your favourite colour?
Can you do a quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's been doing quizzes.
You're doing quizzes?
Yeah. Mugged off. Kira and I have matching water bottles. Precious. So the lecture's finished, but we're all just here, aren't we, Beth? That's right. Beth's having a appearance. Akira. I swear Akira's been with me in every single section of this vlog. She just...
I just stalk you.
Yeah. Is the like top of the class student in the whole of the National Bakery School, isn't she? She excels at life. She's gonna go far. Remember this gal from the Grackle vlog. Beth Dove is a love and will go above and beyond. There you go, there she is. And just like that, I'm home. Boom. In my comfies, obviously, because I'm not going out this evening. Where are the potatoes? It's 3:45, which means snack time. So I just FaceTimed Emily and Rena. Great gals. And now I'm having some dinner. Oh yeah, baby. I'm not sure why I keep calling you punks, but it just feels right. Like I just feel to call you punks. So hey punks. I've just edited that video for uni. We have a, I don't know if I explained, but we have a conference tomorrow. Oh, my neck just cracked. And I needed to edit a video, which is being shown. I won't lie, it's probably the worst video I've ever uploaded. I mean, made. But iMovie is so hard to make things look good. But a good workman, it doesn't blame its tools. Also, don't know why I'm speaking like this. I'm now going to try and bang out a paragraph of my assignment, but if I'm honest, when it comes to the evening, I'm very unmotivated. As you see, I'm more of a morning gal. I like to go in early in the morning. So, oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I brought this car out and it doesn't even work on my phone. But basically, so the car's working now. That means I need to fill it up. Although, why the heck is Mum parked there? Such a good driver, I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm going to go to Morrison's as well because I really want, I'm not going to tell you what I want, I'll tell you what I want when I get home. My Morrison's. I just filled up my car and it was £32. Why? I hate filling up my car. What's good? I just got back from Morrison's. First things first, we got baby bath, baby lotion. I then got some Airwaves blocks. I am a big Moam lover. Moam, I say Moam. I then also bought a lollipop. I also bought Moam Crazy Rocks, because yes! How enticing does this look? And if you could smell it, oh my gosh, it literally smells like heaven. I'm all bathed and clean and ready to sleep. Shower time. I blew a fuse in my room the other day, so my hairdryer is now broken. So now I'm gonna have to use scissors for this. So let's go to uni. So we're doing some conference work now.
Got some garlic.
Say it, go on.
Garlic.
Oh, there it is. And we've just made all of these goodie bags with things in. British baker. That's me. That's you. That's you. Do you want to do a haul? I don't know if we get these, but let's find one. What have you got in there, Akira? Wait. Okay, so we're hiding, so we don't know if we're allowed to show you. Here we have the National Bakery School chocolate, which is handmade by us. Beautiful. Oh, it's you. And then we've got a a dough scraper that has engraved, which we don't get. Really sad. We got some leaflets. London Agri-Food Innovation Clinic, if you want that. A leaflet again. And some more leaflets. And a gorgeous, state-of-the-art bag. Look at that. Work it, work it. Ooh, kill him. Do it for the bus. We're kind of like standing around like lemons. We don't know what to do. So we're loading up the boxes. Oh, they're not even that heavy. Oh, sorry. Next box. It smells like a farm in here.
Who is
Doesn't it smell like a farm?
Gabriel?
Gabriel! You watch Jess and Gabriel,
I
don't
didn't even
you?
know we had a Gabriel.
Do you watch Jess and Gabriel?
Jess and content.
Yeah.
I don't watch them. I have them on Instagram.
Oh, actually, this ain't gonna fit. We might have to do 2 trips. Oh.
Where are you taking this to?
The demo test bakery. One of the bakeries.
Why?
Go on, Akira. I should know. No. I'll take that one.
Wait, I can just take this out and put my student card.
We're going to a talk now. I look, oh my gosh, I look so oily. What the frick? Why am I so oily? Sorry. Do you have anything to say?
We're having a chocolate talk.
Chocolate.
Really?
Really?
I felt like
okay there. You alright there, hon, Emily?
Yeah, when you see it, Caesar salad.
Oh, it's Caesar salad?
Yep, right here.
It's done. The conference was half done. We've got to give out the goodie bags. Look at all the leftover food we've got. Do you want to take them through? No? Okay. Look at the rain. Wow. What's he called? Pastrami. Beetroot bagels with salmon. Everything's homemade. And then we've got these pizza rolls, which are best speciality.
What's that?
I don't have a hood. Oh, sorry, you went to the job. A graps and cheese, and then I got some olives too. Anything? And then look at this. Whoa. That's my bottle. Oh, bless it.
Where did my bottle go?
It's been through some really traumatizing times. What's good? What's good?
Grace, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Guys, we're finished. We're so buzzing. And we've got our goodie bags too, which we didn't. I've already done it, didn't we, Akira?
Yes, we did.
Thursday, which means it's the last day of uni for the week. Woohoo! What I do with this leftover jam, I overestimated. I'm gonna have to like put it in sink or something. Strong. I need to put some chewing gum in my bag, and then I'm gonna go see my hair. I actually look like Hagrid this morning. Gotta put my jacket on. Crud. Forgot about that. Oh, and deodorant. I have the deodorant on. But jacket. Thanks. Last day of uni. Day 4. There's a doggo. There's a doggo at uni. Okay, honey. So cute. Hello, Fuzz. Fuzzy. Mum, this is what we need in our lives. Oh, down there, Missy.
Yeah,
Go, go, go. No, not to me. To the camera.
you know where it is?
Yeah, I'm going. So we're going to get frozen yogurt slash waffles slash ice cream.
Where is it?
Piccadilly we're getting. It's in, woohoo, yes! Get waffles in my mouth. The ice cream place. Look at this. Oh wait, is it gonna focus? Waffles, frozen yogurt and marshmallow. Oh my gosh. Are you happy? You're so happy.
I'm still waiting for mine.
Wait.
I'm waiting for
Oh cute. That is cute. You didn't get sauce?
No, none of them complimented my flavours.
I'm home from uni and that means a week at uni is finished. Sorry, I'm just having my dinner. We've had...
Your brother made you.
Thank you. I can tell you made it.
Why?
Broad beans.
Yeah?
I don't know whose broad beans they were.
They're in the freezer.
No, but
I thought good quite well.
not mine, I never bought them. But they're very nice.
The mystery
Definitely.
of the broad bean. Thanks for watching, kids. You can subscribe if you want.
It's been on the whole time.
I know, for 9 minutes.
I'm not going to put it all in, am I? Gosh. That is my week at uni. I hope you enjoyed. A 3-word review of my week at uni. Long.
Dog.
No, long.
I told you said every day.
Yeah, but when I came in today, I didn't say it.
You can't use the word long because that is such a teenage word to use.
Long.
It's my 3-word review. So we've got long,
Tedious.
unproductive, and bantalicious.
That is like polar opposites.
Well, there's, even when you're down, you can still have fun, you know what I'm saying?
Long and banter.
Yeah, even when you're tired, you've got to have the banter flowing.
Is that tide bout where you just like, you can't
Yeah.
even be bothered?
I was being a bit raucous on the tube, I'm not gonna lie. Just thought, because she hasn't been in the vlog, I better put her in here. So if you've gotten this far in the video, comment Banksy. Hey, joking, don't. Well, you can if you want, but no one's gonna.